Hi everyone, Karen here, and I think I have a couple subscribers to my channel. I also know that I have a few people who said, "Oh, keep us up to date on what you're up to." So this is a birthday card for my mother. My mother's birthday is next week, and I'm going to be fortunate to be with her. This is actually a second version of this card I made. The first one went to another friend of mine. I've wanted to try to do some kind of interactive where the teapot actually looks like it is pouring tea, and I really wanted it all to happen on one card, and I haven't given that idea up. But in terms of wanting to give these cards to people, I went for what maybe is an easier solution. So the teapot actually was a very old Mary Englebright set of cutouts that I had from years and years ago. And so that's what I went ahead and used. So it says, enjoy a cup of tea. And then there is a little instruction here, tilt to pour. So you can go ahead and tilt. It's just a paper fastener that's stuck between the card and the teapot. And then when you open it up, that's where you see the tea coming down. So I just did tissue paper that goes into the cup. This is a pretty simple, and then of course it says happy birthday, and I've included 3 tea bags as well, a couple doily cutouts from some paper that I have, and backing paper. The pop-up version, this is a very simple pop-up. Probably the easiest one that you can do is just that square that you then tape something to. The only thing you have to keep in mind when you're doing these is that whatever it is that's stuck there, you don't want it to stick out the bottom of the card. So you'll notice when mine closes, everything folds away quite nicely and your teapot goes back in order. So there you have it, a happy birthday pouring teapot tea bag card. That's what we'll call it. Have a great day.